Okay amigos, we are here on the streets of Oaxaca. As you probably know from my last few videos, this place is a total food capital. And today we're actually with someone I met a year ago. He's another traveler who is local to Oaxaca. What's up?
Hey, hello friends.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Coronado. I live here in Oaxaca. I just met Dan a year ago and we're here together. Let's go try some local food.
Can't wait. You excited?
Of course. That's
oh, yeah. And there's gonna be one more person joining us today, right?
Right. That's another friend that he's gonna join us. His name is Omar. We call him Oaxacking, and he's a food expert, so he's gonna guide us as well. So
this is gonna be good. Okay guys, we're outside the market. We just met up with Frank's friend Omar.
Hello.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
So guys, in an earlier video I showed you the market the 20th of November. That place is right in the center of Oaxaca City. This place is a bit outside, so it doesn't get as many tourists. According to Omar, it's a bit more of an authentic experience, so this is gonna be cool. Especially with my hat, I'm just too tall for these markets. Are you excited?
Yeah, this is original.
So as you can see, you pick your meat, you pick your vegetables, you grill it all up. That's the way to eat. Nari, how's it feel to be holding that?
Very honored.
Very honored.
Want me to help you with something?
No, it's okay, yeah. Look at this beauty.
We already have some guacamole and salsa.
Pico de gallo. Ellos te lo cortan y te lo limpian.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
Muchas gracias. Mango.
¿Me pasas mi charolita, por favor? En un platito, aquí.
Okay, everything is coming out. We just got agua nieves, which is like a sherbet, kind of watery ice cream inside water. Super refreshing. And we just got the Oaxacan specialty.
Oh, it's much better than the one I tried in.
Okay guys, my first Oaxacan specialty. So they said to take the big guy off on the back. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can taste the lime. They kind of remind me of like Japanese peanuts. Like those salty and lime flavored. You know what's up, right? Those peanuts you can get at 7-Eleven. But they're a bit more natural than that. Nari? It gets the Nari nod of approval, so it must be good. They got a kilo of chocolate for 30 pesos. That's the most incredible thing I've seen. Oh my god. So guys, it seems like this is a huge market. Omar is taking us for stop number 2 on this quick little food tour. But yeah, there's so much to see. So I asked Omar if a lot of tourists come here, and he said no, they almost never do. And when they do, they usually get lost. And I'm starting to see what he means. This place is huge, guys. I think we've just arrived at stop number 2. Tostados.
So these are tostadas. This is Oaxaca sausage. This one is called chiliaco. It's pickled pepper, pickled green beans, and carrots and potatoes with vinegar.
Wow. Oaxacan sausage?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds good to me.
That's really good, the Oaxaca sausage.
I'm really starting to like the Oaxacan cheese that they put on top of everything.
It's called quesillo.
Quesillo, not
Quesillo.
Oaxacan cheese.
No Oaxacan cheese. We get mad when people say that.
That's what the Chilengos say.
Yeah. It's called quesillo.
We're gonna correct everyone so that.
You're okay though.
No more Oaxacan cheese, guys. No more Oaxacan cheese.
See?
Para la pizza.
This is great when you have a hangover.
I can tell.
We always eat barbacoa with green salsa. There's no red salsa here, only green.
So Omar, you told me about the cheese. What is another mistake people make about Oaxacan food, or something people misunderstand about it?
The Oaxaca, that people just come to Oaxaca to eat mole, and that's all we have. And that's a lie, because we have so many ingredients and so many flavors and fruits and herbs and spices that there's more to Oaxaca than just mole.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Good hangover soup. I needed that after my mezcal night. All of that cost 50. The wrap, the soup, the salad, all 50. Wow.
And they give you refills in the soup.
Seriously?
Not the meat though, just the soup.
That's incredible. 2 kilos of mango. You want to buy?
2 kilos 15 o de a 10 el kilo.
How
10
much?
pesos the kilo.
Ah, okay.
10 for those, 2. Yeah, I get it. 1 kilo?
You picked up for you.
10 pesos.
10 pesos.
10 pesos, my friend.
45 per kilo in Mexico City.
45 per kilo.
Yeah.
No, you get it for 10 pesos.
That's it.
Oh,
You should move to Oaxaca, man.
can I cry?
Now he's gonna cry. We're never leaving this country. Okay? I think this is Nari's happiest moment today, getting those 10 peso mangoes. Okay guys, this is our final stop. We saved potentially the best for last. We got 2 kinds of pulque to try. The traditional, and we have another one that's mixed, prepared with chili and onion and garlic? An onion, okay. If you guys watched my Xochimilco video, you know that my camera work got a bit shaky last time I had pulque and...
Dan, where are you pointing the camera, bro? Have some more pulque, bro.
Hopefully that doesn't happen again today.
Ladies first.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll go for Nestor first. I know this taste, yeah.
My second time trying pulque. More sour than I expected. Not my favorite. Let me try the mix.
Which one you like most? Prepare one. Alright.
I never thought I would have an alcoholic drink with onion inside. But it's quite good. Yeah, the prepared one is my favorite for sure.
Yeah.
How about you?
I like this one more. plums with chili.
Oh wow. But we are getting the local experience today, huh?
Yeah.
So many things I've never tried before. They almost look like big olives.
Looks like, yeah.
Eh?
These are chili plums. Chili and white sour. Like this taste.
That one is challenging. That one is challenging.
Wow.
Still going.
Alright, how was that? The first moment is pretty overwhelming, huh?
Sour.
The chili and the sour and everything. I'll stick to the pulque. So, guys, I want to ask a quick question to Frank. This is something I always like to ask people who have traveled quite a bit outside their own country. What's something that travel has taught you about Mexico, Mexican food or Mexican culture that you might not have appreciated before?
Yeah. Well, probably the variety. It's something that now I appreciate now when I'm come back home. I think we have all kind of flavors, sweet, salty, bitter. So the variety is something that I really miss sometimes when I travel.
What was your favorite part of the meal before we walk into the rain?
Yeah. Pulque.
Pulque?
Yeah,
Seriously?
yeah, it was delicious.
I didn't like it.
Really?
I didn't like the pulque.
Have some more pulque, bro.
My favorite was probably the barbecue at the start.
Oh yeah.
Alright amigos, I gotta be quick, it's starting to rain, but I hope you enjoyed that food tour. We made so many stops. I feel like I ate as much as I do in a week in about 3 hours. Oh my god.
Hasta luego.